Hello everyone, my name is Adarsh and this is the video demonstration of task 2.1p of SIT331. Here is the code for this task. So let's jump right into it. The code begins by importing all of the necessary libraries like Microsoft ASP.NET Core.http, which provides types for handling HTTP request and response. And then we can see here Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC, which offers support for building web API using the MVC pattern. Then our web application is set up. A builder is created using web application.createBuilder, initializing the web application. API Explorer services are added to this web application service. The application is built and stored in the variable app. After that, the application is configured to use HTTP redirection for secure communication. After that, we have done some initialization like an array command containing the possible commands a robot can execute is created. An instance of the robot map class representing the map where the robot move is initialized. After that, we have done some configurations for our endpoints. First, a get endpoint for the root URL which returns hello robot. Then we have a get endpoint for /robot commands which returns the array of available commands. Then we have an endpoint which will retrieve a specific robot command move when we enter /robot command/move. After that, a get endpoint for robot commands ID which returns a specific command based on the provided ID we entered. After that, if the ID is not present, it will return that the command is not found. After that, we have a post endpoint for /robot commands which allows adding new commands to our array which we have created earlier by resizing it. After that, we have endpoint map put robot command/id which allows updating an existing robot command. After that, we have app.mapget slash robot map which will return us the robot map. After that, a get endpoint for /robot map/coordinates which returns information about a specific coordinate on the robot map. Here we can see that there is a function which will check if the coordinate we have entered is valid or not. After that, we have app.mapput endpoint which allows updating the robot map. Here we have also used a bool function is valid coordinate which is defined to check if a given coordinate is valid based on the robot map size. After that, we have done app.run which basically starts our application making it ready to handle HTTP request. After that, we have robot map class definition where we have defined it which represent the robot map. It includes properties such as size and a method to check if our map is scarce or not. So this is our code for it. Now let's run it. So our code is successfully able to run. It is listing on localhost 5000. Now let's jump to the Postman. Here we have created a collection test. Now we add a request. We are going to test each of the command now. Let's enter our localhost. First, let's just say here is our first command, which is basically our root URL. Let's run it. Here it is showing hello robot, meaning it was successfully able to run. Now we have slash robot commands. Let's just copy it, paste it, and here we are running it. It is showing all of the commands left, right, place, move correctly. Now here we have a specific command move. We are going to copy it and paste it. Here we can see move is displaying here. After that we are going to get we are going to basically retrieve a robot command by using IT. So let's just copy this endpoint here. Let's enter some ID like 3. Okay, the move is our third command by ID. Let's just enter 2 to see. Here we have place 1, we have right, and let's enter 0 now. Left, let's enter um, let's enter 4, which is outside of our which is not a valid command. So let's just say yes, it is successfully showing command not found. Now let's test our post method. Now we are going to run our post method. This post method will be used to add a new robot command. So let's just enter a command and the value. Let's just say new command. Okay, let's send it. New command is being shown here, which means we are successfully able to do it. Now let's see, we are going to use get command to see whether this command is being displayed. Yes, new command is being shown here, which means we were successfully able to do it. Now let's just see our next robot command, which is app.map by ID. Okay, now we have an endpoint which will be used to update a specific robot command. Let's copy it. It is a put command. So let's just go to body raw JSON. Here we are going to update, let's just say third. So let's enter new updated command. Okay, as you can see, we're successfully able to do it. Let's enter another number second updated command, send it. Yes, status 200. Okay, which means we are successfully able to do it. Now let's use get to retrieve all of our commands. As you can see, we have updated these two commands. So here it is showing updated command, updated command. Okay, now let's run to the next command, which is app.map get robot map. Now we are going to run it. So we have not created any map, so it is showing size 0 is square. Now let's just first update our robot map by using app.mapput. Now let's test it. We have entered the map size, which will be 90. We are going to send it. Okay, now our map size is 90 and it is square true. So now let's run our commands again. First, our app.mapget to retrieve our map. We are going to retrieve our map now. Send it. Yes, we are being displayed our map, which is of size 90 and it is square. Now let's jump to the next. Here. Now we are going to check for the coordinates. Let's just say yes, we try coordinate of x and y, which will be x will be 4 and y will be 3. Let's send it true, which means we can place our robot in it. As our map size is 90, let's just say we entered 100 by 100. It is showing false, which means our robot cannot be placed there. So here is our put command, which will be used to update map, which we have just run, but let's run it again. Our put command, let's just say our map size we want 9. Send it. Our map size is now 9. Retrieve it. Yes, our map size is definitely being displayed here. So here is the video demonstration of this task. Thank you.